Deep within these plantations lies the story of Greenpanel Industries Limited, the #1 MDF company and largest wood panel manufacturer in India. Renowned for producing the best quality MDF, pre-laminated MDF, wooden flooring, plywood. Here in the heart of nature, we find the raw material that serves as the backbone of countless structures and creations. The logs are transported to our state-of-the-art facilities in Uttarakhand and Andhra Pradesh, where we produce a remarkable range of wood-based products. With a combined annual production capacity of 660,000 cubic meters of MDF, including 216,000 CBM produced at our Rudrapur plant in Uttarakhand, and 10.5 million square meters of plywood, Greenpanel effectively caters to customers through an extensive retail network. Through relentless innovation and expert craftsmanship, we stand out as a leading force in the industry. At the helm of Greenpanel stands Mr. Shobhan Mittal, MD and CEO, carrying forward the legacy under his father's guidance, Mr. Shiv Prakash Mittal, a pioneer revered as the father of the wood industry. With an unwavering vision, Mr. Shobhan Mittal embarked on a transformative journey. Under his progressive leadership, Greenpanel has set new benchmarks, elevating the perception of MDF as a premium, future-ready product and driving the industry toward unprecedented growth. His visionary stride is epitomized by the commissioning of Asia's largest MDF plant in Andhra Pradesh, a bold step toward aligning India's wood-based industry with global standards. With sustainability as our guiding principle, we have adopted the best eco-friendly practices, sourcing timber from agroforestry plantations instead of natural forests. The creation of Greenpanel Plywood begins with clonal plantations, where selected eucalyptus tree clones are carefully cultivated to produce high-quality timber sustainably. Once the trees are mature, they are harvested and the wood undergoes a cutting and moisturization process, an essential step in plywood production. This process involves precisely cutting the logs to ensure uniformity and then adding moisture to maintain an ideal balance in the wood's natural fibers. This controlled moisture content prevents warping and increases the durability and strength of the final plywood product, making it resilient for diverse applications. All this is done by ensuring zero waste manufacturing process and zero carbon emissions. Once harvested, the logs embark on a journey to our manufacturing facility, where the magic of transformation begins. Within our factory, every log is carefully selected and inspected, chosen for its quality and potential, each one destined to play its part in crafting a superior product. Our expert team meticulously measures and evaluates each log, ensuring only the highest quality wood advances, ready to be cut to precise sizes for the next phase of production. The core of plywood manufacturing begins with the peeling process. Using specialized debarking and peeling machines, logs are seamlessly transformed into thin, precise layers of veneer, showcasing our commitment to precision and excellence. These thin veneer layers then move through a tenderizing machine designed to enhance flexibility and reduce internal stress for optimal performance. The VVTP method with red core technology creates a highly durable, eco-friendly plywood. Using tenderized veneers treated under vacuum pressure and incorporated with insect-proofing agents, this process ensures a product that's termite, borer, fungus and fireproof as per the ply selected for the final product. Leveraging the strength of mature eucalyptus heartwood, it enhances durability, dimensional stability, and longevity, meeting modern demands for sustainability and resilience in rigorous conditions. Following the drying process, the veneers are conditioned for 24 hours to maintain a balanced moisture content of 6 to 8%, and further, the core is sorted where every layer is composed to meet strict quality standards. These veneer cores are then composed into standardized 8-foot by 4-foot panels using an advanced core composer machine. This step is essential to prevent overlaps and core gaps. The composed core panels proceed to the assembly section, where the glue is uniformly applied with a specialized glue spreader machine, ensuring thorough adhesive coverage. To facilitate better resin penetration and a stronger bond, the veneers undergo pre-pressing under controlled pressure for a specified duration. The pre-pressed panels are then transferred to the hot press section, where they are cured under precise temperatures and pressure settings for a specified time to achieve optimal strength and durability. Once pressed, the plywood undergoes a proper quality check of thickness for the righteous plywood. It is further proceeded with rough cutting to achieve an accurate 8x4 rectangular panel shape, ensuring consistency across all boards. The smooth calibrated panels are treated with an additional layer of glue, preparing them for the overlaying of the face veneer. With the adhesive evenly applied, the face veneers are meticulously laid onto the panels. Greenpanel's patented QuadraPro technology is an advanced 4-level treatment process that enhances the durability, strength, and uniformity of plywood. This patented method ensures high resistance to moisture, termites, and borers, while precision-engineered bonding and high-pressure hot pressing create a dense, warp-resistant core. The result is a smooth, premium plywood panel with exceptional load-bearing capacity, ideal for both interior and exterior applications. The finished boards are then trimmed to their final precise dimensions. After trimming, the boards undergo sanding to ensure a flawless surface and eliminate any imperfections. The next step is side edge finishing, where the edges are smooth and refined for a perfect fit and finish. To safeguard against termites and borers, the finished boards are submerged in a preservative dipping treatment. Buffing is performed to restore the board's natural shine, enhancing its visual appeal and preparing it for final checks. After buffing, rigorous lab checks and quality inspections follow to ensure each board meets our highest standards before it proceeds to the branding and printing phase, where we apply a unique, authenticating ink mark. Finally, the completed quality-approved boards are ready for dispatch, destined to take on the world and bring strength, reliability, and excellence to their final destination. Plywood, born from the plantation and crafted with care, stands ready to support, create, and inspire.